stand tall when everybody else is hopeless. Develop the strength in your character to give everybody else hope. Hope ना magically सूर्य की तरह आती नहीं है सुबह दिन में. If you are feeling hopeless, helpless, lost, if you're feeling unfocused, uncentered, if you're feeling like you do not know how to carry yourself through the day, this is what you do any day that this happens. It's not just during COVID. The general misery of life is to be dealt in this way. What you need to do is take care as soon as you feel like you're lost, is overwhelmed, इतना कुछ हो रहा है, समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करना है. एक लक्ष्मण रेखा बनाओ अपने चारों तरफ of things that you can do right now to make your situation better. And it is the same plane wali analogy. First, put the oxygen mask on yourself. What that means on a day-to-day level is go do exercise, go meditate, go write, introspect, eat good food, sit in the sunlight, heal yourself so you can be strong both physically and mentally. That is very important. You cannot have a messed up biochemistry right now. क्योंकि इमोशनली वैसे ही बहुत हैवी है सब कुछ. अगर तुम्हारा पेट ठीक नहीं है, जहाँ डोपामिन सेरोटोनिन प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो रहा और तुम्हारे सर में नहीं जा रहा ना, तो तुम और उदास रहोगे. मेरा सबसे क्रूशियल लाइफ हैक ये है, और दिस सेज अ लॉट अबाउट हैक्स व्हेन आई थिंक ऑफ लाइफ हैक्स. Anytime I'm unfocused or uncentered, I just go work out. I just push my body to the point where it's like, ab nahi ho raha, and suddenly I'm just ready and recharged again. Legitimate every day, right? So the first thing I want you to do is take care of yourself on a physical and a mental level. That is a non-negotiable primary every day that you do not change. ये चाहे कुछ हो जाए, कोई भी दिन हो, 5 मिनट वर्कआउट करो, 5 पसीना बहाओ, बट बहाओ एक बार. The second thing is take responsibility of people around you. That is what grounds you. Trust me. When there is one problem that consumes you, that is what is happening on the outside right now, COVID, this, that. The single antidote, the kryptonite to that kind of chaos is taking responsibility of things around you, which is start with your family and your friends. कोई तो बीमार होगा, नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, कोई तो फंसा है अपने घर पे, कोई तो ऐसी जगह फंसा है जहाँ पे उसके पास उसके घर वाले नहीं है, कोई लोग नहीं है. उनके साथ engage करो, interact करो, take care of making them happy. Sit on a phone call for a day. यार, if you're living away from your parents, call your bloody parents. What are you waiting for? अब कौन से मौके का वेट कर रहे हो? देख नहीं रहे हो क्या हाल हो रहे हैं? अगर तुम्हारा कोई दूर का दोस्त है जिसकी तुम्हें परवाह है, कोई तुम्हारा डॉक्टर दोस्त है यार, like I make it a point obsessively every 2 or 3 days I text all my doctor friends. It's like take care of something around you, take care of friends, and stand tall when everybody else is hopeless. Develop the strength in your character to give everybody else hope. Hope ना magically सूर्य की तरह आती नहीं है सुबह दिन में. You have to manifest, you have to create that hope for everybody else, and in return you get everybody's good wishes. This is how you keep sanity in times of war, and these are times of war. Right? Ground yourself in your everyday routine. Ground yourself in the people around you. Find yourself in what you can do right now. And try and not worry about, I know it's very difficult. Try and not worry about everything else from there. The problems that are way too big, see what time you're left with. Start cleaning one end of that garbage dump. तुम्हें लगता है तुम ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई में हेल्प कर सकते हो, अपने शहर में, अपने मोहल्ले में चालू कर दो यार, वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू लेट द कंसर्न्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंटर योर माइंड, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी पीसफुल, स्टेबल, sane to do what you can do. That's my advice overall.
Yeah. So that makes a lot of sense, man. What I've understood is that whenever there is a moment of panic, like there is a pandemic or where there is war or any crisis situation going on, our brain automatically starts looking for all the things that are not in our control. And in a situation like this where nothing is in our control, everybody becomes very close to stretching point. मतलब वो लोग breaking point पे आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि कुछ भी हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. You don't understand what is the disease. You can't see it. You can't predict who is going to get affected. You can't predict कितना seriously affect होने वाले. You don't have the resources to take care of them when they get affected. At every level, life is reminding you that you are not in control. So at this point, अगर हम बहुत ही micro manage करने जाएंगे, तो it becomes chaotic. You cannot process everything. From that perspective, what you're saying is making a lot of sense, because you take charge of the things you can control, which is your own body, your own exercise, your own routine. And you'll find that as soon as you start getting control on one aspect of your life, you will be able to get control over other aspects much more easily. Otherwise, you'll just spiral out of control. So that way, what you said made a lot of sense.
Right. And medically, please get your vaccines. Please wear your masks. Wear double masks if required. Vaccines are not supposed to cure you of the possibility of getting sick. It probably is just going to make your symptoms milder, which is a lot, by the way, in this condition, right? Don't listen to the anti-vaccine rhetoric. The science on it is very clear. I do not know one credible guy who's still questioning vaccines. And in a time like this, we've got to do everything we can as fast as we can. Well, if you like my content, if you like whatever you heard or whatever you heard in the past, please do me a favor. Please press the subscribe button. This is the most generic appeal I can make to you. बहुत मेहनत लगती है. कई रातों में सो नहीं पाता, रोता रहता हूँ. Please subscribe button. Please. नहीं होता यार मेरे से इतना सीरियस ये वाला काम.